बच्चों हम आज की अपनी वीडियो में बात करेंगे इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर्स। अगर हम इसे नीट के एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें या फिर क्लास 12 के सीबीएसई के एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो ये दोनों ही पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड ऑल्सो क्लास 11th का में भी इसका एक पोर्शन है इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द फ्लावर्स मींस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द फ्लावर्स। तो क्लास 11th 12th और नीट के एग्जाम कि तीनों की अगर हम बात करें तो तीनों के ही पॉइंट से ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। तो चलो बच्चों हम आज की वीडियो अपनी स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं मींस इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर। बच्चों अगर हम इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर की बात करें so I am making here a transverse section of flowers. Now here is a swollen part and this swollen part is located on a stalk-like structure that is known as the pedicel or stalk. And this swollen part, students, that is known as the thalamus. What is called? Thalamus. That is known as the thalamus and also that is known as the torus. It is also known as the torus, thalamus or torus. On the thalamus there is present a female reproductive part that is known as pistil. What is this called? Pistil. Pistil has a three main parts that is known as stigma, style and ovary. So this part is known as this part is known as the pistil. What is called? That is known as the pistil. This full part is known as the pistil. What is called? Pistil and also that is known as the carpel. Pistil or carpel. Here is also located means the thalamus is hold up some others structure that is known as the male reproductive organ. This is known as stamen. What is called? Stamen. That is stamens are there and stamens are the male reproductive organ means in the stamen is present are two main parts. One is a filament and second is a anther. So this full structure is known as the stamen. What is called? That is known as stamen. Stamen bachcho. And also here is some colored leaves are there. These the colored leaves are there. Some leaves are there. These the color leaves is there. These the color leaves. These the color leaves that is known as the petals. What is called? The name of the color leaf is petals. Okay, this is the color part of the flowers. These are color leaves that is known as the petals. One more important thing is there. Here is located a green color leaves is also there. This is the green color leaves is there. Also in this side is also there some green color leaves. These the green color leaves are known as the sepals. What is called? Sepals, students. The color leaf, the petals and green color leaf that is known as the sepals. Just now we will see that some other things are there. This the stamen parts here is present. The two main parts. So first thing is that now first this part that is known as students stalk or pedicel. And the above the stalk or pedicel here the swollen part is there and this swollen part is known as the thalamus or torus. चाहे बच्चों थैलमस कह लें और चाहे इसे टोरस कह लें। एंड ऑल्सो this is the pistil This is the main female reproductive organ. This is the main female reproductive organ, pistil, and this pistil is divided in three main parts. First, this is the upper part is known as the stigma. This is the cylindrical part that is known as the style, and this is the swollen parts of the pistil. This is known as the ovary. What is called ovary? So these three parts means stigma, style, and ovary joined together form a full female reproductive system or full female reproductive organ of the flower that is known as the pistil or carpel. Just now we will reach on the next stamen. This full part is known as the stamen. This is the male reproductive organ of the flower. Male reproductive organ. Now this male reproductive organ is divided into two main parts. This is the anther, and this part is known as filament. Filament. This is the star, and this is known as the filament, and this is a bilobe structure that is known as the anther. And this anther and filament made together form a full reproductive system of the flower, or male reproductive organ of the flower that is known as the stamen. Next is there the petals. Petals is a colored leaves of the flowers, and the color part of the flowers that is known as the petals. And next, here is some green color leaves is there that is known as the sepals. What is called sepal? This is a green color. And just now we were talking about the group of the all units. These the all units, and the group of the units is there. The pistil unit is known as the gynoecium. This is the gynoecium. Stamen is the group is known as the androecium. Androecium. And the group of the pistil is known as the corolla. Corolla. And the group of the sepals is known as the calyx. What is called calyx? So this is the internal structure of the flowers. But just now we will reach on the some specific characteristic of the all units. Means pedicel star, thalamus का function क्या होता है, pistil क्या होता है, and stamen क्या होता है, and also we will talking about the petals or sepals. So you will make a diagram, students, and now we will reach on the some other structures and some function. First of all, students, here we are talking about the first structure of the flower that is known as pedicel or style. If we will talking about the style, this star part hold to the all parts of the flower. It will hold to the flower. Hold to flower. पूरे फ्लावर को होल्ड किए वो कौन होता है? पेडिसिल और स्टार. Second structure is there, students, that is known as pedicel or torus. If we will talking about the pedicel or torus, now this is the swollen upper position of star. That is swollen upper part of star. जो स्टार के ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट है, this part, that is known as the pedicel. And what are the functions of the pedicels? The functions of the pedicel is that now it is supplying the nutrients to the flowers. What is called supplying nutrients to flowers. This pedicel will provide the nourishment to the flowers because now it will supply the nutrients to the flowers. Just now we will reach on the next unit of the flower that is pistil. What is called? Pistil. या फिर before the pistil, now we will understand the, just we have understand the pedicel, thalamus, and we will reach on the third type of the unit that is known as the sepals. We will reach on the sepals. अगर बच्चों हम sepals की बात करें, sepals, the sepals is usually in green color. कैसे होते हैं? Usually in green color, but sometimes they are colored. Sometimes they are colored. जनरली बच्चों ये वाला पार्ट जो इसकी लीव्स है ये कैसी होती है? ग्रीन कलर की होती है, बट समटाइम these are the colored. What are the functions of the sepals? If we will talking about the functions of the sepals, means this is provide the protection during the birth time या फिर in the birth stage, provide protection to flower in birth stage. जब फ्लावर हमारा बर्ड स्टेज में होता है स्टूडेंट्स, उस बर्ड स्टेज के टाइम ये सेवल्स उसे कवर किए होते हैं, मींस ये सारे पार्ट्स को अंदर से कौन कवर किए हुआ होता है? सेपल्स. देखा होगा आपने जब कोई बर्ड्स होती है तो उसके वो चारों तरफ से ग्रीन कलर के लीफ से घिरा हुआ होता है, उस ग्रीन कलर के लीव्स को हम स्टूडेंट्स क्या कहते हैं? सेपल्स कहते हैं. After that we will reach on the next point, and that is known as the fourth point is there, that is known as petals. This is the next unit. If we will talking about the petals, usually they are the color. या फिर कहें this is the color part of फ्लावर. कैसा पार्ट होता है फ्लावर का? कलर पार्ट होता है. दिस the red colors and some other colors are there. This is the color part of the flowers, and the functions of the petals is there. First function is that now attracts to the insect for pollination. Attract to insects for pollination. This is the first, and second, it is also provide the protection during the bud stage. It's protection to flower in bud stage. In bud stage मतलब ये कलर पार्ट होता है फ्लावर का, अट्रैक्ट करता है किसे? इंसेक्ट्स को. किस चीज के लिए? पॉलिनेशन के लिए. एंड आल्सो स्टूडेंट्स इट विल प्रोवाइड द प्रोटेक्शन ड्यूरिंग द बड स्टेज. जब फ्लावर बड स्टेज में होता है तो हमारा सेपल्स तो प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड कराता ही कराता है, बट आल्सो पेटल्स इज आल्सो प्रोवाइड द प्रोटेक्शन इन बड स्टेज. जस्ट नाउ वी विल रीच ऑन द नेक्स्ट यूनिट्स. After that we will reach on the next unit, and that is known as the stamen. This is the next unit, stamen. If we will talking about the stamen, this is the male reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ. And now in the male reproductive organ, this is part is divided into two main parts. One is filament, and second is anther. First is filament बच्चों और second anther. जो मेन रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट होता है स्टेमन का वो कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है, एक तो फिलामेंट में और एक एंथर में। इन दिस एंथर इज प्रोड्यूस pollen grain, क्या बनेंगे यहां पर, pollen grain, pollen grains. This the pollen grains is male gametes, male gametes or male sex cell, male sex cell. This is the pollen grains. So this is the stamen and it will divide into the two main parts, filaments and anther. और anther के अंदर formation होगा किसका, pollen grains का in this part students. After that we will reach on the next point is their next unit, and this unit is known as the pistil. What is called pistil या फिर carpel. Just now we will reach on the next unit, that is pistil or carpel. बच्चों अगर हम पिस्टल और कार्पल के बारे में बात करें तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज देयर, दिस इज द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन, फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन, फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन ऑफ फ्लावर. This is a structure, this full structure is known as the female reproductive organ. Generally this female reproductive organ is divided into three main parts. First is stigma, next is style, and next is ovary. In the ovary present a ovule, and inside the ovule is going on the formation of ova or egg cell. इस ओवरी के अंदर जो ओव्यूल होता है उसके अंदर ओवम बनेगा और एग सेल या कहें एग सेल. अंडरस्टूड? इस ओवरी के अंदर ओवम और एग सेल. दिस ओवम और एग सेल स्टूडेंट्स इज अ फीमेल gametes. What is called female gamete, this या फिर female sex cell. So this is a full structure of the flowers, and there are the functions is also mentioned there, means the stamen function and all the unit function is also mentioned. Next video में students we will talking about the types of the plants. All the best, note down कर लीजिएगा.